Hi, I'm Angela. I'm the breakthrough coach and healer of queens. I help women trauma thrivers create, operate, and scale the business of their dreams. I share with you straightforward ways of how you can conquer your childhood trauma, master your energy, and create self-trust. I also share with you how you can create clarity, consistency, certainty, and clients in your business. And this is part of the Pay What You Can goal setting workshop, where you pay what you can to get content around setting your goals. And today is actually a bonus meditation, and we are going to do things just a little bit differently than we did in the last meditation where we did transformation. We are actually going to do visualization for your future, because when you practice visualization, it helps you act as if it's already happened, because your body does not actually know the difference. So the more you can visualize achieving your dreams and being that person that has achieved those goals, the more and more likely you are to achieve your goals. Now, this meditation is not going to be as long, because I highly recommend that you listen to this meditation as often as you possibly can. So if you're feeling fear, chatter, anxiety, etc., I recommend that you come into this. If you feel like you're stuck, lost, confused, you've hit a wall, then come into this meditation and just allow yourself to visualize and relax. Again, this meditation is not going to be the same as my meditations normally are. However, I'm still going to walk you through the process of relaxing and feeling good, so that you can definitely allow yourself to visualize. Now, here's a little thing about visualization that I want to make very clear. And I want to make this very clear because I have experienced in my own life that you can't actually see things through your third eye or whatever people tell you, but you know that they're there. I want you to know that that's okay. Okay, some of us visualize very differently than others, and that's completely 100% okay. So if you can hone in on the picture and it gets brighter and you can see that, great, that's perfect. I love that. Continue to do that. If you're struggling with that, but you know that it's there, then it's okay, and know that visualization, where you actually can see the picture in your mind's eye, does take a little bit of practice. And it is something that I practice, but I know that it's there. The feeling is there. I can see it. I can taste it. I can, smell it, if you will. So I want you to do the same kind of thing, but please, please, please do not get caught up in thinking that you're visualizing wrong, okay? Please don't think that. And I feel like that really prevents people from visualizing, and I don't want that to happen to you, okay? So you want to make sure that you are in a very juicy and comfortable space where you cannot be interrupted, where you have plenty of time. I'm hoping this is going to be about 10 to 15 minutes. You will hear a lot more pauses so that you allow yourself to visualize your I don't want to say 2022, because what if you use this meditation, beyond that? So to help you visualize as if you're achieving your goals already. Make sure you practice this, and please do not let the belief that you're not doing this right stop you from visualizing, because it's not true, okay? Okay, make sure you're in a safe and comfortable environment. Please do not listen to this while you're operating heavy equipment or while you are driving. Go ahead and allow yourself to get very comfortable. We are going to go into this sacred and divine journey of visualization. Good. Go ahead and close your eyes. Good. I want you to go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. Good. Take another deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Allowing yourself to go into relaxation, go into peace, allowing yourself to feel safe and supported where you're at. Good. Go ahead and take another deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper into relaxation, deeper and deeper into peace, feeling completely supported where you're at, feeling completely safe. And our intention for today's meditation is to visualize your future, knowing that it's already happened. Allow that intention to absorb into your body and into your cells. And then go ahead and take another deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper into relaxation, deeper and deeper into peace. And if you hear any outside noises like pets, trains, cars, children, know that it's all okay. Know that they're just going to take you deeper and deeper into awareness, deeper and deeper into peace. And if you have any thoughts right now, know that it's okay. Know that there's no right or wrong in this. It's all part of the process. Allow yourself to see your thoughts, observe them, and let them go. And what I want you to do right now is I want you to visualize this beautiful, white, bright, warm light above you. And it's safe. And it's familiar. And you just allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into relaxation as you see that light get brighter and brighter. And it feels so warm, so welcoming, so safe. And as that light gets brighter, you can just feel the tension, stress, worries, anxiety melt away and down into the earth. You can feel the stress, the pain, the aches, the anxiety, the dirty lens in your third eye just melt away and go into the earth as you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. And you just allow that white, bright light to melt away the stress and the anxiety in your shoulders as they drop down. As you release the weight of the world and let it melt all the way down your body, all the way down into the earth. You let that white, bright light melt away all the stress, all the anxiety, all the fear, all the hate, all the indifference. You let it just melt away from your heart center and go into the earth as you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. And you just continue to let that light melt all your stress, all your anxiety, all your pain, all your tension, all your fears, everything that is keeping you from freedom and empowerment. You just let it go, melt into the earth all right now. Good. And you let that bright light melt away all unserving emotions, all shame, anything that's blocking your sexuality and creativity. You're going to let it all melt out of your body and into the earth now. Good. And you're going to do the same thing for your root chakra, allowing that light to just melt away all the stress, tension, soreness, pain, anything that is keeping you from safety, any insecurity, anything that is trapped in your root chakra, like trauma and abuse and pain. You're going to let it all melt into the earth, out of your body right now. Good, good. And again, you're going to do the same thing for your legs, your shins, and your feet. Just let all that stress melt into the earth. And as that melts into the earth, you can feel this bright light shining down from you from the crown of your head all the way to your sit bones. And you might feel some energy and some sensations running through your spine. Know that it's all okay. You might feel warm. Know that it's all okay. Just allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into relaxation. And as you go deeper and deeper into relaxation, you can feel your heart opening. You don't even need to do anything. You can just feel your heart opening as you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. And as your heart opens up to you like a beautiful rose, you just walk through it. And as you walk through it, you get to this place. It's not dark, it's not light, it's anything that you want it to be. But in this space, you see this beautiful, long mirror. And in this beautiful, long mirror is your future self. And you see your beautiful self in this mirror, and you smile at her. You're so excited to see her. And you just look at her with so much gratitude. And she looks back at you with so much gratitude, so much love, so much compassion. And then you don't see anything in the mirror. And you don't panic, because you know that you are the creator of your reality. You know that you are the creator of your future. And so you stand there in that mirror, and you start to visualize and see what it looks like to achieve your goals. You see her, you feel her, you might even smell her, taste her, and as you visualize what she looks like, your body starts to pick this up as its reality now, as if it's already happened now. And you just sit there and visualizing yourself. Allow it to get brighter. Allow it to get bigger. Good, good. Now, what activities are you accomplishing to make your goals happen? See them, feel them, taste them, even smell them. Allow them to get brighter. Allow them to get bigger. Good. Now, it's the end of the year. You've achieved all of your goals, all of the dreams that you wanted to this year. What does it feel like to accomplish them? Allow yourself to expand it all over your body. And if fear comes in, that's okay. Think it and let it go. Good. Good. Now let it get bigger. Let it expand more. Let it expand past your body. Let it expand past your room, past your house, and into the whole earth. Vibrating at this frequency, attracting what it is that you'll accomplish this year, as if it's already happened. Good. Good. And now you keep that. You keep that visualization as if it's already done, wired into your nervous system, wired into your soul, wired into your mind. And you look in the mirror one last time where you see your future self. And you look at her with so much gratitude, making the ultimate self-commitment to her, to yourself, to your dreams, as if it's already happened. Now you're feeling so good, so accomplished, and so proud. And if you want, though it's not required, you can close your heart back up. And you can come back down into the earth, come back down into the room, come back down into your body, wiggle your fingers and your toes, and open your eyes when you're ready. All right, how did that go? Let me know some of your visualizations. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the description. I am so excited to see how your year goes. I will see you in the next video. Bye.